the fuck?
The ghost. Hit the fucking ghost, basically. Just hit the ghost. Back with another video. If I can see, I might crash this bitch. But yeah, man, we back with another video. We're about to do the POV through the hood, trenches, whatever you want to call it. I was gonna do the suburbs, but I'm not even knowing that area, nowhere near that area. I could have did it, but my mind was somewhere else. So nigga just been driving at this point. But yeah, messed up. I gotta stop cussing, bro. Keep saying that. But yeah, all right, I'm about to flip this camera around so y'all can see everything. Everybody get to doing this POV. We back. My phone just mysteriously cut off. Restarted itself. It's that dumb shit. No cap. Police hear me. Shit sound crazy. That shit sound like a window bust when you got the windows at an uneven level. That's my uneven. Roll that shit up. Alright, we gonna do this POV until I need gas, bro. That's basically telling me I did enough. This area is weak as hell. Like, definitely where all the crackheads be, like, literally. Boy, he talking about this a RT. They got the caliber. Come on, gang. I know we ain't about to do this. I'm about to turn on one of these streets. Fuck it. Okay. I know these bitches all fucked up over here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Trench, baby. No cap. Like, what the fuck? Oh, I almost ran into a pile of rocks. Bro, this house is crazy. I might as well just tear these boys down, bro. Or just put these boys for the lowest price and let somebody buy these bitches, fix them up. No cap. That shit look terrible. This probably the nicest house out this whole block. No cap. What the fuck? Bro, all these blocks got speed bumps and shit. Literally. All these blocks got speed bumps. Niggas be looking. Bro, you ain't famous, bro. Get the fuck off. Probably looking for you, nigga. She crazy. This bitch beat up over here for real, though. Like, bro. Like, this really. Yeah, though. Same. They got abandonment issues over here or something. Impala for nothing. It's my beavers, bitch. I bathed in school. Shit. I'm trying to get that popping over there. It's garbage everywhere, bro. Damn. They don't got no love around this bitch. Where Auntie going? Well, she got a mustache on her.
With that big old wolf pussy, you come down here all the...
Damn. She definitely thought she was getting picked up. Hey, speed bumps is crazy. They don't even need speed bumps over here. Ain't nobody driving over here. I don't even know where we at. Still don't know where we at. That's just a street sign. I gotta find a place to take a thumbnail, but not too crazy though. I'm trying to get my shit shot up. I wouldn't even want to live over there, right? That's some shit off of fucking, I don't even know, bro. Just turn up and starts drifting this bitch. So why niggas be playing on my top? Like, they don't get nasty, cuz. About to be playing with niggas all day. Listen to this. Better be signing God. So yeah, you guys, I done seen some police lights and I decided to turn around and go see what's happening for my damn self. You know me. Is this a drug bust?
I say what's up?
I would turn down that street, but I can't. So we gonna go back around town. They're like, was that you I heard? What the fuck is you talking about, bro? What are you talking about? There's definitely no life over here. It's a whole park and nobody up here. No life. This was in my area, we would have been turned this joint up. Every day we out here. Blow the blanket off this nigga. Basically. Blow the hit the ghost. Hit the fucking ghost, basically. Just hit the ghost. Get your ass. Hello. Niggas be retarded. Out here walking with a sheet. What's really going on? You know, stop at red lights. Not in this area. I need to find somewhere a thumbnail picture. He is running out of gas, y'all see. Feel me? I don't know how long this is so far. We couldn't really do too much. You know what I'm saying? It's a little hot out here. We're getting the best we can though. Probably about to hit a couple more blocks, find a place to get a thumbnail. We're gonna end this POV off. But not right now though. So don't just click off the video just yet. Yo, granddaddy. This is your granddaddy. Go. Bro, you send it full throttle down one of these streets in Detroit, bro, you gonna blow every motherfucking suspension part on your shit. Like, you gotta know the whole street is fully good to even full send your shit, bro. Definitely. I hit my shit down here one time and almost blew the axle off. He won the race. See, he cheating and shit. Yeah, I'm doing this with my knee. I got a Mustang. My turn. This plane just playing. Boy. Dog. Alright, man, that's how we gonna end this POV on, bro. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video. We got more coming for y'all, man. Don't worry. We gonna turn the traction off and go fully viral mode for y'all on the next video. We just had to do this little video for y'all to drop for the channel, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, you feel me? The money here.